Hi there, Leah Steinker with Prowess Project, bringing another technology tip this week. We're taking a look at the software Visla. Doing something a little different. I actually created the product that I want you guys to take a look at. I had it write the script with AI, pick out the images to put into the video, and I gave it the parameters of just creating an explanation of this software for online business managers and to do it within 1 minute. So let's take a look at what it created. And I encourage you to get in there and play with it and see how this could help you in your day-to-day work as an online business manager.
Welcome to the world of Visla, a powerful tool for online business managers. Let's explore its features and benefits. Visla offers intuitive video creation features that streamline the process for busy professionals. With Visla, online business managers can enhance their videos with ease, boosting engagement and conversions. Imagine creating stunning videos effortlessly, thanks to Visla's user-friendly interface and advanced tools. Visla empowers online business managers to tell their brand story effectively through captivating visuals and narratives. By using Visla, online business managers can save time and resources while producing high-quality videos that resonate with their audience. Take your video creation skills to the next level with Visla's innovative features tailored for online business success. Unlock the potential of your online business with Visla, the ultimate tool for creating compelling videos that stand out.